how to set screen recording quality to 1080p and 720p on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, click on Screenshot and Screen Recording. After click on Screenshot and Screen Recording, scroll down and you will see video quality is here. If you want to set 720p, click on medium 720p. You will see video quality is set on medium 720p. If you want to set 1080p, click on 1080p. You will see video quality set on high 1080p. After select medium and high video quality, after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set screen recording quality to 1080p and 720p on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.